Hey there, it's me, Lisa Lillian, also known as Hungry Girl, here with my mom. Hi, Mom.
Hello, everyone.
You ready to chew things?
Yep,
We're in my kitchen, in case you didn't notice. How do you like LA?
I love LA.
Good. Maybe you'll move here one day.
I was not here long enough, but it's fun.
All right, today we are trying Caulipower dill pickle-flavored chicken bites.
Oh, wow.
So this is like a popcorn chicken. Do you know what popcorn chicken is?
It's popcorn chicken.
Like little fried chicken nuggets,
yes,
little
it's
bites.
probably yummy.
Right, you like everything fried, right?
I do.
Okay, so we made these in the air fryer. These have 180 calories, 7 grams of fat for about 5 or 6 of them. A 3-ounce serving. And these are supposed to taste like dill pickle. The coating is made with a little bit of cauliflower. It's their signature coating. I made these in the air fryer. Grab one of these and let's take a bite.
Let's take it.
Okay, let's go. Crunchy.
That's me. I love fried food. Good.
Wait a minute. Don't you love how the outside tastes like pickles? Like dill pickle.
Yeah, a
it's
little.
nicely flavored with dill. It really lives up to the name, I would say.
Right.
It's not too greasy. You could dunk it in some ranch or something. You hear that in the
I'm
background?
full of food.
The dogs are playing bitey face. Hey,
I
girls,
finished it.
what do you
Well,
think?
that was pretty good. Do I love it? Not really.
I love it.
Lisa loves it.
Really
Go buy
yummy.
it. If Lisa loves it, it's good.
If you like pickles and you like little fried chicken nuggets, I think you will like these, right?
Lisa has very good taste buds.
Bye.
Oh my God.
Hey, if you love content like this, make sure you follow me for more.